Hi there. This is a burn down chart template. And the purpose of this burn down chart is to allow one to plan and manage items over a 2 week period or what can be called a sprint. It's designed so that the items can be either tasks or user stories. And the units column here, this units estimate, it could either be story points or the amount of effort. So you can see here we've got a column that says item description. This is where you would input the either your tasks um, or your user stories that you would like to track. So let's add an item here. We'll just say this is the XYZ item. And again, this could be written in user as a user story. We'll just write it like that for simplicity for now. And we'll say the units of estimate on this one item is a 2. And you'll notice as soon as I input that 2, it's actually totaling up the ideal units here in this cell. And what it's doing, it's spreading that unit of measure across the timeline, the 10 days of duration, and it's also grabbing that information here automatically on this burn down chart. So that's how you would enter in the planned or the ideal information. And so now we're taking a look at the completed burn down chart. So you can see there's 6 different items that were listed here. That original estimate of units was placed here. It was totaled up under the ideal units, and that total was spread across the ideal burn down across the 10 days, and that's 64 units. Again, equates to this ideal fuchsia line here on the burn down chart. So then each day, at the end of each day, we tally up or we input the amount of actual units that were completed that day here. And that total gets added here at the bottom on the actuals total. And you can see in this case that the ideal plan was to complete to have 57.6 units remaining at this point in time, and we actually have 56. So that means we're actually ahead of schedule. So you can see here at down on the bottom, we can see that the blue line is actually below the fuchsia line. Again, if it appears that way, we are ahead of schedule. And then the next day over, we can see that the plan was to burn down and only have 51.2 units left at this point in time, but we really have 53. And with that, now you can see how this 2 week period or this sprint actually ended up, and everything was completed by the end of the 10th day. And so with that, this is a burn down chart template. I hope you find value in this one.